Hello, beautiful butterflies. Guess what, y'all? It's Food Truck Tuesday. And there we have it. Now, it may not look like much as we approach, but this is a taco lab. And I really do think that it's a fan favorite. And you see one lady standing in line. But that's because it's almost 2 o'clock. I'm late getting out here. Their menu is online. See? Wait a minute. I'm going to get to it. The taco bar. See? Now their menu, hi. Their menu is online and on the wall there. But they have really, really good food at really, really great prices. So, please like and subscribe and join me again real soon for another Food Truck Tuesday. Peace.